Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go incognito on Zen Browser. First thing I want you to do is just launch up the Zen Browser, and then I want you to come here, the top left. You'll actually see these three dots. I want you to click on these three dots, and it will go ahead and open up this drop-down menu, and then from here you'll see this option, New Private Window. I want you to click on this, or of course you can use the keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus P. Once you do that, or you click on this, it will open an incognito window, and as you can see, we are in a different private space, and you can open up any tab here, and this is completely incognito, as you can see. And of course you can bring this back up as well to dock that. Really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.